Alright, here's a quick little recap on some of the colors I did this week. Let me know which one was your favorite. Make sure y'all like this video and comment what colors I should make next. And thank you so much to everyone that comments colors. I promise you I will get to yours, just be patient. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and will these catch bass or throw them in the trash? Let's head to the shed and let me show you how I made these. I'll be using Lure Baby Bass color. If I had money to only get 3 colors, this will be one of them. I put about 6 drops in here, stir it up. This is how it's looking so far. I love this color. I'll be using the small purple flakes from Lure, stir it up. I don't know, something about that purple just complements that green really well. Into the injector and shoot the mold, top it off. Little sneak preview of the color, and voila, this is how they turned out. These turned out freaking phenomenal. Absolutely love these. Had super fun making these. Alright, so I had a bunch of leftover remelt that I did a few weeks back, so I decided to shoot some molds that I barely ever do. I think these turned out freaking sweet. What do you guys think? So this is what the puck was looking like. If you guys haven't watched that remelt video, I'll have it linked below if you want to check it out. First, I'm gonna chop it up, fine little pieces so it doesn't burn in the microwave. Once you nuke that sucker, you wanna give it a nice little stir. I'm trying to get rid of some Hobby Lobby glitter, so I'm gonna add a little bit, a lot. Stir it up into the injector and shoot the mold, top it off. And this is what the first mold was looking like, the second mold here, and the third mold. I think they all turned out great. All 3 of these molds don't require a lot of plastisol, so you definitely get a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, today we have a new color from Dead on Plastic, Space Grass. Look at this labeling, freaking awesome. On it says, shake well and prosper, do not drink. So please don't drink this. Anyways, let's get to work. So Dead on Plastic recommends 40 drops per 1 cup of plastisol. So let's add that in, stir it up. This is how it's looking with 0 flakes in it. Let's go ahead and put it into the injector and shoot the mold, top it off. While it's still scorching hot, I'm gonna add some Cardinal Red from Lure. I absolutely love this glitter. Stir it up. The Cardinal Red is amazing. And this was the result with no glitter, just the Space Grass. I like this color. I definitely think the fish would smash this. This was the result with the Cardinal Red glitter. I think this turned out freaking fire. What do you guys think? Comment down below what your go-to bait color is. Alright, check out these sweet swim baits I did. I did a laminate style, my first time ever shooting a laminate in a swim bait. I think these turned out pretty freaking great. What do you guys think about these? I'm super curious to know. Let me know in the comment section. For the top, I used some black with purple flakes. You already know the drill. Chop it up into fine little pieces. For the belly, I'm gonna use red with black and silver flakes in it. Throw that in there. And this is what it's looking like, all chopped up. This is the mold I'll be using today. This is what the black with purple is looking like. The red with black and silver flakes. I'm adding more black to the red and more silver to the black. Stir it up into the dual injector. Don't forget the injector attachment. Shoot the mold, top it off. And voila, this is how they turned out. Like I said, it was my first time, and I don't think I did too bad of a job. What do you guys think? Will they catch bass or throw these in the trash? Alright, the homie Manny is asking for green pumpkin with orange and purple flake bandito. Let's make this one happen. And full disclosure, these are fire. For the plastisol, I'm using Dead on Plastic's house blend. This is by far the cheapest plastisol I could find on the market. Highly recommend. Lure green pumpkin, about 10 drops in here. Stir it up. I'm gonna do citrus orange from Lure. Scoop. Purple from Lure as well. Scoop. Stir it up. I'm gonna throw these suckers weightless, so I gotta add some salt to help it sink. Pour, pour, stir, stir, pour, pour, stir, stir. Into the injector and shoot the mold. Always top it off. And this is the final result. Absolute banger, in my humble opinion. Alright, we got a new color today from Dead on Plastic. Goose turd.
Look at the labeling, it looks freaking awesome. It's a little turd on it. Alright, let's get to work. Like every color from Dead on Plastic, they recommend 40 drops per 1 cup of plastisol. Stir it up, and this is what it's looking like. You guessed it, brown. Turdish. Into the injector and shoot the mold. Make sure you get all the turd out of there. And this is what it's looking like. Nothing really special. Love the name, but essentially it's brown. Anyways, let's add some gold flakes to this bad boy. Scoop. Stir it up into the injector and shoot the mold. Top it off. And voila, this is how they turned out. I'm so glad I added the gold because it definitely made this color pop. What do you guys think? Will it catch bass or throw these in the trash? Make sure y'all like this video and comment what color I should do next. If you made it this far into the video, I salute you, and you might as well go ahead and subscribe.